If Photoshop is showing a generic error message and you are not exactly sure what is causing it, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a universal quick fix flow that solves many common Photoshop problems in just a few minutes. This is a simple step-by-step process you can follow whether the issue is related to a layer, a selection, low disk space, GPU settings, or even outdated software. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your layer and your selection. A lot of Photoshop errors happen because the wrong layer is selected or because something is still active on the canvas. Go to your layers panel and make sure you are working on the correct layer. If the layer is locked, unlock it first. Then press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac to deselect anything that might still be active. This is one of the fastest fixes and it often clears up strange behavior right away. Next, let's fix possible disk and memory issues. Photoshop needs enough free storage and working space to run properly, especially on larger files. If your drive is nearly full, free up around 20 to 50 gigabytes if you can. After that, open Photoshop Preferences and go to Scratch Disk. Make sure Photoshop is using a drive with enough free space. If possible, choose a faster drive with plenty of room. Low storage and scratch disk issues are very common reasons behind random Photoshop error messages. Now let's move on to the GPU setting. In many cases, Photoshop errors are caused by graphics processing conflicts. To test this, go to Preferences, then Performance, and uncheck GPU or graphics processor. After turning it off, restart Photoshop and see if the error goes away. If Photoshop works better with GPU disabled, then the issue may be related to your graphics driver or hardware acceleration. You can keep it off for now or update your driver later and test again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to update Photoshop. Sometimes Adobe releases updates that fix bugs, improve stability, and patch error-related problems. Open the Help menu and click Updates, then install the latest version available. Once the update is complete, restart Photoshop and try the same action again. Updating the app is a simple step, but it often solves problems that seem complicated at first. Now let's quickly talk about why these errors happen in the first place. Photoshop error messages can appear because of wrong settings, low disk space, low RAM, GPU or driver issues, or even corrupt preferences. That's why this flow works so well. Instead of guessing, you are checking the most common causes one by one, starting with the easiest fix first. If Photoshop is still giving you trouble after all of that, you may need to reset preferences or look deeper into the specific error message. But in many cases, these 4 steps are enough to get Photoshop working again. So to recap, first, check the correct layer and deselect anything active. Second, free up disk space and confirm your scratch disk settings. Third, disable GPU in performance and restart Photoshop. Fourth, update Photoshop to the latest version. Following this order gives you the best chance of fixing the problem quickly. I hope this helped you get past that Photoshop error message. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more easy fixes.